The flower is gone. Flower, forever flower.
Oh dear, Bubba's lost forever flower.
It's okay, Baba. We'll find it. Follow me. Flower, where are you? Flower, forever flower. I can't find it, Baba. Oh, no. I have an idea. I choose the windmill.
But MeMo, how can this help Bubba?
It's your new flower, Baba. And it spins. Look! Spinny flower.
Bubba is still really missing the forever flower.
Oh, I miss my forever flower. Aw, Baba. Blue. Yellow. Hello, yummies. Flutterbugs. Twinkly and shiny.
That's right, twinkling in the setting sun.
From Alva, we're yummy-sized.
So you are.
Can you help us find Baba's flower?
What does it look like?
It's orange and blue.
Yummy snack?
They may not have found your flower, but Blue Yummy found you something delicious to eat.
Thank you.
That's right. Stretch high up to the sky, as tall as trees.
Thank you, yummies.
Oh, sorry we didn't find your flower.
When the sun is low, it's time to go to the Lullaby Lake.
It's time to sleep now, Baba. No sleep. Aw, because we didn't find your flower? Your flower! Thanks, Tweety.
And just in time.
Yes, brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Oh, it tickles. So much.
Ah, the Lullaby Lake.
Hello, Fungi and Pongi.
Gently rocking along the shore as you sail on the Lullaby Lake. Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the Lullaby Lake. MeMo, BaBa, breathing deep. You're both on your way. Flying through the sky like a leaf on the breeze.
Look, MeMo, Yummy Land. Hello, yummies.
MeMo!
Oh, the Tweeties dropped the leaf. The yummies are stuck to the sticky leaf. Uh-oh. Please, come and help us. Twinkly and shiny. Flutterbugs.
Beautiful flitterbugs. lighting up the evening sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, for a yummy size.
So you are.
Green.
Blue.
Yellow. Red.
What are you up to, MeMo?
A sticky leaf tree for the picnic.
Ah, a picnic in the shade of a giant sticky leaf.
Yay!
The perfect place to be.
Thank you, Yummies. A sticky leaf for your nest.
Let's hope they don't drop it this time.
Bye-bye, Yummies.
When the sun is low, it's time to head to Lullaby Lake.
Sticky leaf dance, Tweeties. Brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Oh, it tickles.
Let's glide away on Lullaby Lake with our friends, Fungi and Pungi. Your cares floating away like a leaf on the breeze, breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on Lullaby Lake. MeMo, BaBa, breathing deep. You're both on your way. I wonder. I thought as much.
MeMo! Baba! We're blowing raspberries. Do you like them?
Well, I think they're very funny.
What's that noise? It's not a raspberry.
No, it's a beautiful noise.
Can I hear it again? Hello? Can you make the lovely noise again? Please? Let's find the noise! Yes, find it, find it.
Someone's going on a noise hunt.
Another noise. The tick-tock clock. It's playtime.
There's that beautiful sound again.
Maybe the play tree knows what it is. The go-go plane is ready to go-go! Follow that lovely sound, go-go! Hello, sweeties! It's a lovely sound, but not the one we're looking for.
That's not the noise you're looking for.
No, but it's a good one. Play tree, have you heard that beautiful sound? Where's it coming from?
Playtree doesn't know either.
1, 2, 3 things to play with. 3 things to choose from. Look, Baba, panpipes. Ooh, a twirly hat. umbrella. Panpipes? They sound really good. You like them? Panpipes! Ooh. Blow it again, MeMo. We must find what's making the sound, Bubba.
It really is the most beautiful sound.
It's coming from the Lullaby Lake. Can we go see? I'm tired.
It's time to stretch, reaching high up to the sky.
Thank you, yummies. Bye-bye. Thank you, yummies. Bye. Bye now.
Goodbye.
The sun is low. It's time to head to the Lullaby Lake.
Red. Yellow.
Green.
Blue.
Bubba has hiccups. Sorry, yummies. Will my hiccups go? They'll go soon.
MeMo is right. Hiccups don't last long. Maybe the yummies can help you.
Or come and help us.
Flitterbugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're yummy-sized. Yummy-sized.
Come join us.
We're washing fruit for yummy smoothies.
I like the tinkly sound of the water. Tinkly.
Oh, Bubba, we'd forgotten about those hiccups.
If Bubba forgets about the hiccups, they might go away.
You're right, MeMo. Maybe we can help Bubba think about something else.
Oh, look, Bubba. Here comes your yummy smoothie.
Reaching high, up to the sky. Are you ready for a story to send you to BeddyByes?
Yes, Grandma Liba.
It was a day like today when you played with the red and yellow go-go bricks.
Catch it.
Feeling curious, you set off to find more red and yellow things
Pretty.
and to meet lots of red and yellow friends just like you. And all those things and all those friends and MeMo helped Bubba to discover two beautiful colours.
Red like MeMo and yellow like BaBa.
Yes, Bubba. And then, together, you followed a lullaby home. To the Bay of Books, where I tell the story of two little friends and their busy day, side by side, safe and snug. Now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Bubba, my sleepy, colourful friends. Good night, Coco. Good night, Playtree. Night-night, Tweeties. Good night, Yummies.